Welcome to Saad Educare. Cambridge Primary Mathematics Unit 8 Numbers to 102 Part 1. Let's start. Getting started, number 1. Here is mentioned split each number into tens and ones. 10 means first two digit. It means 1, 0 to 99, and 1 means unit digit. Suppose if anybody inform us split 26 by tens and ones, it means 20 plus 6 equals to 26. So here is mentioned 84, so we can write 84, it means 80 plus 4. Second, 37, we can write this one 30 plus 7. 80 is a tens, 30 is a tens, and 4 and 7 is a digit, it means 1. Number 3, 65, we can write 60 plus 5. Okay, so first one done. Second question, share 20 strawberries between 5 balls. Complete the division number sentence. So here is 20 strawberries and we have 5 balls, and we have to find out the value each ball, how many strawberries we can keep. So this is number 2 and 20 strawberries, and we have ball 5. Why you division sign? Because we have to divide these 20 strawberries to 5 balls. So we know about 5 times table. 1 times 5 is a 5, 2 times 5 is a 10, 3 times 5 is a 15, and what? 4 times 5 is a 20. So each bowl we have to keep how many strawberries? 4 strawberries. So our answer is 4. How? Look, this one part, this one part, this one part, and this one part. So here is first bowl, this is second bowl, this is third bowl, this is fourth bowl, and this is fifth bowl. It means each bowl has 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4, total 20. Okay, this is very simple. Number 3, tick the shapes that shows quarter. So quarters, it means 1 by 4. It means any square. So if we split 4 part, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is equals to 1, right? Similar straight line, it's a middle, it means this is a half, right? So here is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, again here this is half, so this is 1 by 4 and this is 1 by 4. So this picture we have to find out the which shapes that shows quarter. Look, number A, it shows quarter, number B, it also shows quarter, but number C, it's not showing quarters, because here 4 part it's true, but 2 parts is larger than another 2 part, so it's not showing quarters. Number D also not quarters, because this part and this part are larger than this bottom part. E also not mentioning quarters, but F is a quarters. So I hope you clear everything. If you have any question, please write a line in the comments box. This part is a starting portion. Now we will discuss about exercise 8.1, which is very important for us. Let's start. 8.1, mentioning numbers in words, rounding and regrouping. So numbers in words, what does mean? Suppose this is 1, we can write O-N-E 1. Similar, here is 2, we can write like these 2. So first one, exercise 8.1, question 1, write in words each of the numbers represented. Look, here is a block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here is a 8 block and each block has 10. So this one is 80, right? And here is single block 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can add 4. So this is 84, right? This 84 we can write EIGSTY 80 and 4, right? This is represents what? 84 by words. Okay. Number B. 1, this is a and this is a B. Here is also some block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 10 is the 50 and here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 7. It means 57. 57 we can write 57. Okay. So number A and B done. Here is direct mentioning 93, 93. So we can write 93 like NINETY, 90, then 3, THREE, 93. And finally this one is D, 31. So we can write THIRTY, 30, then 1. Okay. So number A, exercise 8.1 done. Our target to complete 8.1 by this lecture. Number 2, read the number words and write the number. 42, 42, 76, 76, 25, 25, 68, 68. Okay, done. Very easy. Now use these numbers words to write same 2-digit numbers in words. How many numbers can you write? So you have to understand something. We have to write 2-digit number. Look, 20 is a, here is TWENTY. 20 is a 2-digit number. It's a 20. Okay. Then 70. 70 also a 2-digit number, 70. Then 40. 40 also what? 2-digit number, 40. But 8, EIGST, 8 is a single digit or 1, and 9 also single digit. Now how many difference number can you write? So these 20 we can add 20 and this here is 8 plus 8, it will become 28. Okay. So this 28 we can write TWENTY, 28, right? 28. Another we can make, here is a 9 and here is a 20. So we can write 29, right? 29. So 2, 9. So one part complete. Here is mentioned how many different numbers can you write. So we are trying how many number. Third one, 70. Look, SEVEN, 70, and we can take 8. So 78. 7, 8. Number 4, 70. We can take 9, right? So 79. Another is 40. So we can take another one, 40. 40 and we can take 8. So 48. And finally number 6, 49. 49. So how many numbers can we write? We can write 6 numbers like 28, 29, 78, 79, 48, 49. But we cannot take 20 and 70 together. In this case, it will become 4 digit or 4 numbers. So this is done. And here is a quiz. Here is mentioned, look, how does, we can make bold sign, how does understanding the place value help you to write a number in words, discuss with your partner or in a small group? So let's see. Marquis says there is only one 2-digit number word with 12 letters, which is 77. Look, 77, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70 and 7. Look, here is mentioned 12 letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here is 12 letters, right? So is Marcus correct? Yes, he is correct. Okay, so number 8.1 we already solved 1, 2 and 3. So let's start number 4, which is round to the nearest 10. Look, here is an example like round 74 to the nearest 10. So here is 10 digit 70 to 80. But look, this 74 is near what? Suppose this is a 74. Here is nearest 10 is 80 or 70. Which is near? Look, 70 to 74, here is 1, 2, 3, 4 digit. But 74 to 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. Therefore, 70 is the closest. So, for remembering, if any digit 1, 2, 4, it should previous digit example, suppose 52, this is nearest 50, 51 nearest 50, 53 nearest 50. Okay, so 1 to 4 it should previous digit, but 5 to 9 it should next 0, or here we can write it should previous 0. Okay, previous 0, not digit, it should previous 0. For example, 55 it should 60 because next 0 is 60. 56 next 0 is 60. 0 means here is the nearest 10. Okay, why 60 is nearest 10? Because 10 times 6 is a 60. Okay, so now let's start round each number to the nearest 10. Use the number line to help you. Here is a number line where is 0 to 100. Now look, first one is 64. We already know about 1 to 4 it should previous 0. It means 60. 72 it should 70. 81 it should 80. 56 here is a 6. It means 5 to 9 it should next 0. So this is 60. 49 it should 50. 23 previous 0 it means 20. 27 next 0 it means 30. 35 it should what? 5 to 9 it should next 0 it means 40. And 30 is a round number, so 30 is a 30. Okay, it's a very clear and easy. Now Now a number rounded to the nearest 10 is 60. Here is it's important things. Rounded but not mentioned rounded down or rounded up. Okay, rounded down is previous 0 and rounded up is a next 0. Therefore look, 60 here, if 61, 62, 63, 64, the rounded number is 60, but 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59, it's a rounded up the next 0. Okay, therefore we have to careful about rounded round up and down. I hope you cleared this one. It's a very important math. You have to understand a number rounded to the nearest 10 is 60. Okay, so let's check about nearest 80. So this is rounded what, and rounded here is from down and here is from up. So 81, 82, 83, 84 rounded down 80, right? And here is 79, 78, 77, then 76 and also 75. It should rounded what, up, which is 80. So I hope you cleared this one. It's a very important math. Number 6 of exercise 8.1, find 4 different way to regroup 31. Draw or write your answer. Here is not mentioned what, here is not mentioned tens or ones. So this 31 here is 110, 210, 310 and here is 1, it's equals to 31. So we can write 30 plus 1 equals to 31. But 4 different way you can write this one. Number 1, you can write 28 plus 3 also 31. You can write 27 plus 4 also a 31. You can write number 3, 20 plus 11 also 31, and you can write 25 plus 6 also 31. So it doesn't matter which combination, you can find out the value of 31. And let's check your partner or your classmate how they make 31. Is it similar with you or not? So thank you very much today. No more we will discuss about any further lecture in today, because we already discussed lots of things. If you talking too much, our exam or our preparation become down. So we need rest, we need practice, and we need more concentrate about question. So this lecture we are discussing about rounded up and rounded down. We also discuss about number words and digit, lots of things. So please subscribe my channel if you think this video is helping you. My channel name Saad Educare, and this channel we will discuss about learners book and workbook 2 about Cambridge Primary Mathematics, and we are starting unit 8 number 202. Why 2? Because unit 1 also number 200. So thank you very much being with me.